Hey guys, it's Shaw from WTI, and I love any kind of primer. It just makes your face, the appearance of your face, everything is smoother. It fills in any fine lines. If you have large pores, it fills it in. And one that I've recently purchased was this Maybelline Master Prime. This is the number 100. I really like this one. It does a real good job of keeping everything in place. I can even wear this without makeup and it just gives you a nice smooth finish. This one specifically it says blur and smooth. So basically it blurs any imperfections and it smooths any fine lines. It is a white primer, but don't be alarmed that it's white. It goes on clear. So if you're gonna prime, you just put it on the spot that you need to prime, and it just, see, it's clear. You don't have any white residue or anything. And it just fills in any pores or any fine lines that you have. And it helps to set your makeup and have it stay all day so it doesn't run or you don't have to reapply. It's a great product. And also what I like about it is that it's not overly pricey and it works. So if you're looking for a new face primer, this Maybelline Master Prime is a great buy. However, that is just my point of view.